Hello everybody and welcome back to Teedster. Today we are going to check out the Atom Audio D3V, a fully powered desktop monitor solution from Atom Audio. Before we continue, if you are someone who is new to the world of audio, let me kind of explain to you what a studio monitor is. So a studio monitor is a type of speaker specifically designed for accurate sound reproduction in professional audio production, like recording studios or home studios, where it's crucial to hear every detail of a recording without any added coloration or distortion, allowing for precise mixing and mastering of music or audio content. Essentially, they are designed for critical listening to hear exactly what you're recording or editing, unlike regular speakers that might enhance certain frequencies to sound more appealing. And even though these are technically a monitor system, I actually use these for everything that I do on my PC, whether that be gaming, watching videos on YouTube, or even editing as I'm doing right now. These just kind of take over every single situation. And I've used Bose 2.1 system, I've used Logitech systems, I've used Razer, I've used Sonos surround sound soundbar systems, and these just sound way better than everything after the burn-in period. As you look on screen, the first thing you're greeted with inside the box is your power brick and your barrel plug that goes into the back of your main monitor. Pretty standard stuff. Next, you'll see your USB-C, USB-A cable, which you can use to plug into your PC, Mac, or even another device. You don't have to use an external audio interface, and if you're on the go, this comes in quite handy. You can get lossless digital audio through the USB port. And now on to the monitors themselves. You'll see they're wrapped in a white cloth covering to prevent any damage or scratching while these are transported from place to place. You've got your informative manuals and your left and right speaker connection. So in order to get sound from the left or right speaker, whichever way you have it oriented, you need to run that proprietary cable from the main monitor to your satellite monitor. And then those were just the add-on stands that actually slide right in, and they aim these up towards your ear if you don't have a alternative to do that. So you've got your wall plug that goes from the wall to the adapter. Here's a closer look at that proprietary cable that connects the left and right speaker. This cable is approximately 5 feet in length, so you're not going to be doing long cable runs with this, so if you need them spread apart further, you might want to go with a different monitor solution. So these are meant to sit quite close just because they're near field. That manual will tell you everything you need to know about these speakers. It also includes some 3M foam strips, so if you set these on a stand or directly flat on a tabletop, that helps with sound vibration and reducing those to get a better quality sound out of these speakers. And now we get a look at the actual monitor themselves. I think the design is very, very cool. The size is quite smaller than any other 3.5-inch monitor that I've seen. Typically the cabinet is much bigger than this, so having them at this size is quite welcome for someone like me who doesn't like a lot of things on their desk. And there is a close-up of the ribbon tweeter. There is the rear panel. You can see there are 3 different positions and 3 different selections in each one of those positions where you can set these up to properly and accurately produce sound given your room's various characteristics. There's a mounting position on the bottom too if you want to mount these onto a microphone stand or other kind of pole stands. You can do that. So there is the satellite speaker, and it is also powered. So both of these have their own power, and they can produce a good amount of sound out of a small footprint that way. And there is the stand. It slides directly into the slot on the bottom. Pull that all the way forward and it will come to a stop, and you know you have it installed correctly. If you're looking for compact, high-quality sound for your PC, the Atom Audio D3V desktop monitors might just be your perfect match. Let's talk about why these 3.5-inch speakers punch way above their size and have become my main monitor solution. Right away, the D3Vs stand out for their incredible clarity and precision. Atom Audio's D-Art ribbon tweeter brings out the pristine detail in the highs, so you can hear every nuance in your music, videos, or games. Whether I'm editing audio or just enjoying a movie, these monitors give me a balanced, clean sound without harshness. Even with their compact 3.5-inch woofer, the D3Vs handle mids and lows impressively well. The bass is tight and controlled, perfect for smaller rooms or desk setups, where space matters but quality can't be compromised. And speaking of space, that's another reason why I love these. They're designed to fit comfortably on any desktop, blending professional performance with a clean, minimalist look. They don't just sound good, they look good too. Plus, Atom Audio gives you EQ adjustments on the back, so you can tailor the sound for your environment. Whether your desk is in a treated studio or just your bedroom, you're covered. So, if you want studio quality sound, a small footprint, and premium build without breaking the bank, the Atom Audio D3Vs are an easy choice for your PC setup. They've elevated my audio experience, and I think they'll do the same for you. Now, before we get to the sound test, here's a list of the technical specs for these desktop monitors. Now before we go, I wanted to show you guys what the LED indicator lights mean. So solid green means power on and analog input. Press the button once for mute. Pressing it once again will unmute. Pressing it twice will switch to the USB input. Pressing it twice will put it back on analog. Pressing it 3 times will switch the left and right channels. Pressing it again will switch them back. And then pressing and holding is power off. Press again for power on. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys have a really good understanding of how the Atom Audio D3V desktop monitors work, operate, and sound. If you thought this video was entertaining and it gave you any type of value, please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any questions you have down in the comments, and I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Teedster out.